In this video I'm going to show you how to simplify surds. So we'll start with root 8, which is in surd form, and if I write out the factors of 8, I then want to choose the square factors. So 4 is a square number and 1 is a square number. Taking the biggest of those will get me to the simplified form of root 8 more quickly. So root 4. 4 is our biggest square factor of 8. So then how would I do it? I need to take 4 and think of what I would multiply 4 by to make 8, which of course is 2. So 4 goes with 2 to make 8, okay? Now root 8 then can be written as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Okay, we haven't finished yet, but I just want to prove to you that the square root of 8 is the same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. So on my calculator, if I do the square root of 8, I get 2.8284, etc., etc. And then if I do square root of 4 times the square root of 2, we should also get 2.828427, etc. So it does work. This is not some maths hocus pocus trick. And let me show you then how you simplify it further. Because we chose a square number when we chose 4, it means we can find the square root of 4, and this becomes 2. So what do you get then? You get that the square root of 8 equals 2 times root 2. And we can write that even more simply as simply 2 root 2, which is why on the calculator when we did the square root of 8, and you've got it set to maths mode, it comes up as 2 root 2. Okay. The next one, root 20. So write out the factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And take the square ones, 1 and 4 are both square numbers. Take the biggest one and write root 20 as root 4 times root 5. Then you can simplify root 4 to simply 2, because when you work out what the square root of 4 is, it's 2 times root 5. You can shorten that to 2 root 5. And that's why the calculator, when you do root 20, gives you 2 root 5 when you're set to maths mode up here. Okay, I think you're getting the idea, so I'll do this one a little bit quicker. Square root 3 times square root 25. How did I get to that? I know my square numbers pretty well. I chose an obvious one like 25 as a factor of 75 and multiplied it by 3 to make 75. Okay, square root of 3 is not a pretty number, but the square root of 25 is. So to rearrange that, I would put 5 on the left hand side and then the square root of 3 there. So that's 5 root 3. And then this one, root 100 times root 3, that would be the same as root 300. This simplifies to 10, so you get 10 times root 3, or just simply 10 root 3. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks.